Okay, so we got this 2014 Honda Accord. We've been installing air shocks on it. Check out that video. But here we go. We got the sway bar loose here. So you got a number 12 here, number 12 here, and the bushing's out. And then we got the linkage out over here. And there is a small bracket the linkage goes through. So this is the sway bar here. This side, we're taking it apart. And you got a number 12 here. We're still taking that one off. So we're gonna put in a high torsion sway bar. It's gonna be thicker, stronger, and it's gonna give it a better control on turns. So that's one bolt out. So they're number 12. You might want to lubricate a little bit, and they come right off. I'm going to show you the new one we got. And all we did was took off the linkages, the bolts from the top. Only the bottom one just stays with it, because we're going to replace a new sway bar and links. So here goes nothing. And it might look easy, but it is a little tough to get this out. That side is forced out. Wait, my hands are there. Let me just take off this guy here. Keep it in the same plate. So I'm gonna go on that side, help them, and it is a little tricky. There you go. So you gotta turn, twist, and play around with it. Whoops, there goes my light. The light died, the other one is more brighter, but here goes nothing. So when you're doing this, you wanna keep it just the way you took off, just like that. So that's how the new one is gonna go in there. So here's the new sway bar, and there's the SKU number right there if you wanna get it. And that's everything. It's red, ooh. There's our eardrum. We're gonna be doing a video on the front sway bar down the road, not today. Voila. So this is where your bushing is gonna go. They marked it there and it lines up. And there's our new high-end brackets and bushings, and it has a grease fitting. Comes with new bolts. What the hell is this? Okay, this is the other end where it blocks it. Alright, so okay, let's grab this. So make sure you line it up just the way it was, and we're gonna start off on this side just like we took off. No, that might be the front.
Huh?
That bushing might be the front.
Too big?
Yep. Okay, that one was wrong, so we're gonna put this one on because it's a tight fit. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side here. This is the good part, check this out. Oh yeah, harder. There you go. Shit is now finished cutting. So the grease go through the fitting and right to the center of the bar. Perfect. You want to get that side in first?
This side first.
There you go. You gotta get the bushing on this side of it.
Yeah.
Alright, so the bushing goes here. Let's pop this open. You got that side? Okay, there you go. And then you put the cups on, the sway bar brackets. Nut and a bolt. You might have to get new nuts in the bottom because it does not come with the nuts. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna hold it at 10 and tighten it with number 13 in the bottom. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we go to the opposite side, same thing. How much you pay for this?
200.
For
Each.
one.
Yeah, for car, yeah.
Alright, so it's 200 bucks just for this setup right here. There you go. Now all we need to do is put some linkages on this, and we'll put some greasing into the fitting, and that's about it. So we're gonna go get the linkages next. Okay, so this is all done. Putting a sway bar linkage here. I'm gonna show you the brand that we're using. Okay, so there's a bolt here, there's a nut here, and there's a nut here. Grease fittings. So this is the brand we're using. Moog. Problem solver. Same thing on the opposite side. Now all we need to do is tighten them up. Okay. Alright, so that one you're gonna have to put a wrench on 18 to knock out the top one. So let me get the wrench. So this is 18 and this is a 15. So you just match up your sizes. Go ahead. Wait, stop. Okay, we backed things up. So we took off the top so we could get to the bottom one first. So here goes nothing. Oh, wrong way. Bang. We're gonna go to the other side. Same thing on this side. Go ahead. Okay. Now we can stick the top part of the linkages in. Make sure the bracket's in. There's like a little hanger to it. Same thing on the other side. He's about to do it over there. There you go. Bam, all done. Nice and tight. Bam, bam. Put some greasing, put some greasing, put some greasing. Same thing, greasing, greasing, greasing. Every 15,000 miles is a good idea. All done. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to grease everything up every 15,000 miles. Sometimes you have a rattling noise. Most likely the noise is from here. Click, click, click noise is here.